Hello children, the last lecture of this chapter number 16. Then our chapter will be over. Today we are taking competency based questions. Okay, so first example 27 raised to the power x is equal to 9 upon 3 raised to the power x. Then find x. Okay, so 27 means 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x. 27 is the cube of 3. And here we can write 3, 9 means 3 square divided by 3 raised to the power x. पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, therefore 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to, और बेस सेम हो और डिवीजन हो तो पावर का सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. नाउ बेस इज सेम हियर मीन्स 3x is equal to 2 minus x. देखो 3x is equal to 2 minus x. Therefore 3x plus x is equal to 2. Therefore 4x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Understood? Next question. We are taking example, different types of example. Okay. The question is, if 9 raised to the power n multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus n by 2 raised to the power minus 2 minus 27 raised to the power n divided by 3n, okay, multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3n multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1 upon 27. Okay, then prove that what is m minus n is equal to 1. This is the question. Now we are solving step by step this. Okay. So first thing, what is 9 raised to the power n? 9 is the power of 3. So I can write this, prove that m minus n is equal to 1. Okay. So is equal to implies 3 raised to the power n, 3 raised to the power square, 3 square raised to the power n. I can write this. 9 means 3 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 3 minus n divided by 2 multiplied by minus 2. 2 cancel, minus minus plus minus 27 means cube of 3 raised to the power n divided by 3 raised to the power 3n multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1 upon 27. Okay. Therefore 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by n plus 2, now minus minus plus n. Got it? 2n, 3 square means plus 2 because base is same and multiplication is there. Then you can take the addition of power. Minus minus plus minus 3 raised to the power 3n divided by 3 raised to the power 3n multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1 upon 27. Okay. Now take the addition here. 2n plus n is 3n. So 3 raised to the power 2n plus n is 3n plus 2 minus 3 raised to the power 3n divided by 3 raised to the power 3n multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1 upon 27. Are you getting my point? What I am doing here? Yes or no? Now I am taking 3n common here. So the question is 3, take out 3n common, 3 raised to the power 3n. Then here 3 square is left, means 9, minus 3n, 3 raised to the power 3n is completely out, so 1 is here only, divided by 3 raised to the power 3n, 2 cube means multiplied by 8 is equal to 1 upon 27. Left part is 3 raised to the power 3n so 3 raised to the power 3n divided by 3 raised to the power 3n is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3. Okay. So 3 raised to the power 3n minus 3n. Base is same and division is there. So take the subtraction of power. 3 raised to the power minus 3. Therefore 3n minus 3n is equal to minus 3. So m minus n is equal to minus 1. Take a divided by 3 to the whole question. So n minus m is equal to 1. Therefore m upon again n minus n is equal to minus 1. Therefore m minus n is equal to 1. We proved it. Okay. Another question. Rationalize the denominator. 15 upon root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80. So now we are thinking only about denominator. Root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80. Okay. So is equal to root 10 plus 4 5s are 20 plus here 4 multiplied by 10 minus 5 minus 16 5s are. What I did here, just break the numbers, but note that one factor should be complete square. Okay. Is equal to root 10. Here take out 4 means 2 root 5 because 4 is complete square. Again here is 2 root 10 minus root 5 minus 16 means 4. So the next step is, what is root 10 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 10. Wait a minute. Just take the like terms. These are like terms. Okay. So root 10 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 5 minus 5 minus 4 root 5. Okay. So take out root 10 common. So 1 plus 2 root 10 plus. Here is take out root 5 common. So 2 minus 1 minus 4 root 5 is equal to, what is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 root 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 root 10 plus. What is minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, minus 3 root 5, that is 3 root 10 minus 3 root 5. This is the, again you can take out common 3, that is root 10 minus root 5, like this the answer of the question. Okay. Therefore, now our denominator is 3 in the bracket root 10 minus root 5. Therefore, 15 divided by root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80 is equal to 15 divided by 3 in the bracket root 10 minus root 5. 5, 3 5s are 15 is equal to 5 divided by root 10 minus root 5. Now rationalize the denominator. So multiplying, just take the opposite side, root 10 plus root 5 divided by root 10 plus root 5 is equal to, what is 5 in the bracket, root 10 plus root 5 divided by 10 minus 5, that is equal to, what is equal to 5 in the bracket root 10 plus 5 root 5 divided by 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 cancel, answer is root 10 plus root 5. Like this you can rationalize the denominator. Understood?